Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the ultimate solution for fiber technicians on the move. Our Fiber Technician Toolkit in a rolling tool bag, part number TK-199R. Packed with all the essential tools needed for fiber optic installations and repairs, this compact and durable kit offers unmatched portability and convenience. With designated compartments and a rugged construction, it ensures easy transportation and access to your tools. Okay, let's dig right in and have a look. First, of course, is the tool bag, part number RTB-18. It's made from a durable 1680D ballistic material, features large treaded wheels to handle rough terrain, and has 18 organizer pockets to hold all your tools and protect it from the elements. And here's what's inside. The ever-popular Cable Saver, the ultimate tool for gaining mid-span access to armored or thick jacket cables. A buffer tube wringer, our coax cable gripping tool, a cable slit and ring tool, one of our most popular tools for fast and precise removal of the jackets from round cables, the patented CST 1900 round cable strip and ring tool. 2 fiber connector cleaners for 1.25mm and 2.5mm. An LED flashlight with zoom lens. Our patented and award-winning FOD 2000 for slitting drop cables at mid-span or end sections. A wire stripper for 10 to 22 gauge. Our cutting shears for cutting Kevlar, cabling insulation, tape cable ties, and other materials. Our 8-inch high leverage diagonal cutting pliers. The world's most popular 3-hole fiber optic stripper, part number JIC 375. Our high leverage cable cutter. A pair of long nose cutting pliers. An ergonomic cable splicing knife. A Microduct tube cutter, part number MDC 14, as well as its bigger brother, the large fiber duct cutter, part number MDC 64. A series of mid-span slit and ring tools ranging from 1.2mm to 18.2mm. A ratcheting duct and cable slitter for creating mid-span slits and window cuts in ducts and heavy-duty cables. A riser slitting tool for shaving longitudinal access windows in round FTTH riser cables and microducts. A 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver with Phillips and slotted bits. And lastly, our rugged visual fault locator for detecting fiber breakpoints, fiber leaks, poor connections, and stress points. There you have it. The TK-199R is here, empowering technicians to work efficiently and effectively in any environment. Elevate your field work with our all-in-one solution, the on-the-go choice for professionals who demand reliability and mobility. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.